But most of the times, you know, a lot of people, Asia, me ankwala mame, na ankwala na kosi sen, ankwala mame na mse, oh, ankwala mame nso die, nyame adom Bible cry my say, mama mmofra ne kwan no mama nchen na yenum say no shrine ni no. Eye one dia. Eno nti no, ankwala dia maka, so mo da makoma so papa me for mo ni agro. Enti ene no, dwumadi ebedi nyina na about me ma no Nsoromma ankwala no from season 1 to the very current one aye season 7. A lot of times na nkofo bisa say oh na nkwala no how far omo we hen and then person me ma update about my babies so that you know said they are doing amazing. Yeah, started from season 1, Righteous Vandyke. Abrantia wo ba adwumadi a wotimi be say ho ma metu ni din show boy. Ola bonsema abranti. Now, would you believe that this is righteous now? I can't get that. Or buy now. What be the that's right. Or ban from a senior na what way a victor shuma me righteous. Send na what here. Here we are. Yabeshe the current righteous. It's a Righteous Vandyke on Nsoromma season 1 years ago. This was righteous. Once I know, sir, since I know ye kete when a voice a cry. I feel no me who's a cry or life. I just say, or change someone Nsoromma. Young Kuti and Radi no can lie. Now her senior righteous and you fellows or correct bra.
Onipada seniye emereni nanso officer kokoni ne kiranso no eni over good so tiya botre
Now that is Righteous Vandyke. Moya mubisa me nkwala no sister Sandy omuwie Nsoromma ye hu omo nye so obehu omo nti ene me tro me ma no omuwie Nsoromma what they've been up to. They say Righteous Accra Academy. Oh, ola bonsema no. Accra Academy one. Say Righteous are building a studio. Or no Righteous na bisa say anyum to follow do say na wo personal studio. Say Righteous no or no any studio. He's still doing music. You bet me I follow no TikTok at Righteous Vandyke.